Welcome to Jinju Flow, Bedtime, Movement, and Meditation. Today is for those of you who feel like you've been giving all day and you want a little time to recharge and pour into yourself. So let's begin by bringing our knees into our chest, wrapping your arms around and curling up into a little ball. Maybe you're grabbing a pillow here to hold yourself up, or you're resting your forehead on your knees or your arms. Just get really comfortable as you can, and give yourself permission to be here in your little hideout. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Notice how you feel and how your breath makes your upper body move up and down. As you're here, listen to our first note to self. When the weight of the world is on your shoulders, and every day is a daunting cycle of things to do, remember to be kind and gentle to yourself. You're not a machine, not perfect, and not something you can plug into a wall to recharge. You're human. We're all human. We need slowing down, smaller steps, and help from one another. Taking a deep breath in through the nose and deep breath out through the mouth. Relax the shoulders. Slowly picking up your head, shuffle your feet forward, keeping them at hip-width distance. Place your hands behind your thigh, and we're going to do a little bit of cat and cow in this posture. So as you inhale, push your chest forward and look up, broadening through your collarbones. As you exhale, round the spine, look towards your navel. And again, inhale, push yourself forward, looking all the way up. Exhale, push yourself back, drawing through the navel. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Inhale forward. And exhale back. One last time. Inhale forward. Exhale all the way back. Beautiful. Now drop your legs, cross them in front of you, and we're going to start rolling our wrists. Our hands work so tirelessly for us all day. Let's give them some attention and some love. Keeping your fingers in a fist here. And then roll them the other way around. Keep breathing. Sometimes we forget to breathe when we begin to move our bodies. Full deep breath in and full breath out. Beautiful. Now interlace your fingers, flip them up to the sky as you inhale and stretch the spine to the ceiling. Exhale, release, circling your arms all the way down. Good. 3 more times. Inhale, interlace your fingers all the way up. Exhale, circle them down. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Last time. Inhale, interlace up to the ceiling. Exhale, release. Good. Now open your left leg to the side, flexing the left foot. Walk your hands forward as much as you can. Use a pillow, blanket, whatever you want. Maybe you're just bringing your elbows down and keeping your chest forward. Feel the stretch in your inner thighs here. Count 3 breaths here on your own. And keep your sitting bones firmly into the ground. One more breath in and out. As you inhale, walk back up. Left hand behind your leg. Right arm comes up and over for a side bend. Really opening up through the rib cage on the right side here. Make sure both sitting bones are rooted deeply into the ground. Deep breath in and deep breath out. Deep breath in. Maybe lengthening through the crown a little bit more. And exhale to soften. On your next inhale, come up back to center. And we're going to put our left hand on our right knee, right hand behind you for a twist. Looking past your right shoulder. As you inhale, grow a little bit taller up to the sky. And exhale, twist deeper. Follow the breath. Inhale, grow tall. Exhale, twist. Inhale, grow tall. Exhale, twist. Last time, inhale all the way up. And exhale, twisting, drawing in the navel a little bit. Very good. Come back to center, switch out the legs. Walk your hands forward, however much you want. Feeling a nice stretch in your inner right thigh. Breathe it out for 3 times, counting on your own. Focusing on the breath. Keeping both sitting bones on the ground. And lengthening through the spine. Beautiful. Inhale, come back up. Right hand behind your leg. Left arm up and over for a side bend. Remember to not hunch over, but to push your chest forward here on this other side. Maybe your gaze is a little bit making your neck a little bit uncomfortable if you're looking up towards the ceiling. You're welcome to look down here or to the front. Just focus on really opening up through the left side here. One more breath. Inhale, come back to center. Right hand on your left knee, left hand behind, twist. Inhale to grow tall. Exhale, twist. Follow the breath. Inhale, grow tall. Maybe coming out of your twist a little bit. Exhale, going back into the twist. Looking past your left shoulder. Follow the breath. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale up and exhale, twist. Beautiful job. Let's come onto our bellies now, laying forward. We're going to bring our our elbows into cactus and place your left cheek on the ground. Bend your right leg and use your right hand to push the ground away from you as you roll onto your left shoulder. Find a nice stretch in your left chest and throughout your left arm. Make sure your left elbow is in line with your shoulder and keep your head rested on the ground. If this is too intense for you, you're always welcome to come back on the ground, or maybe you are going in a little bit at a time. Deep breaths. Keep breathing here as I read you our second note to self. Don't forget to smile. It gives you a moment to step back and to pause, to see life as more than just a huge checklist. It lightens the load, and like a gentle reminder, it tells you that everything's going to be okay, that you're in control. A smile can really ground you to the present moment. Beautiful. Release here, coming out of your twists, and go right on to the other side here. So right arm in cactus and left leg is bent towards the back. Find the right angle to feel a nice stretch in the chest and shoulder. Take 2 deep breaths here on your own. Maybe exhaling longer to let your body know it's time to cool down and your heartbeat to slow down. One more breath in through the nose and out through the nose. Beautiful. Let's lay down all the way on our backs now in Shavasana, relaxing from head to toe. Knowing that you've done well. Feeling a little bit lighter now. And our shoulders more relaxed. Let everything go. For our third notes to self, I have a gratitude affirmation. You can whisper this to yourself or just listen. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful to be here, to breathe life into my body and soul, and experience so many things as a human being. I'm so grateful for the interactions I had with people today and with the things around me. I'm grateful for the things that nourish my soul, like food, family, friends, flowers. I'm grateful for the limitless possibilities life offers and the ability to love and to be loved. I'm grateful to get to pause and watch time pass and people grow and seasons change. I'm so grateful. Here's a song for you as you lay in Shavasana. It's called The Way I Am. If you were falling, then I would catch you. You need a light, I'll find a match, 'cause I love the way you say good morning, and you take me the way I am. If you are chilly, here, take my sweater. Your head is aching, I'll make it better, 'cause I